Okay, ready? Don't touch. Don't blow yet. Not yet. Ready? Ready to sing, Connor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then everybody gets a cupcake after we sing, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, not yet. Don't eat yet. We gotta sing.
Thank
It's
you.
Reese's birthday, right?
Okay.
Okay, get ready, everybody.
This is my next.
Okay?
1,
2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Reese. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Blow them out. Oh, good girl. You did it. Yay.
You
You did it. You want to eat it?
You ready?
Connor, what do you want? You want to eat it?
What about Reese too?
Reese can eat and you can eat.
What? You want this one? You want
Okay,
this one
say bye-bye,
instead?
Con.
Bye-bye. No, take it off.
Well, it has to. You can't eat it if you don't take it off.
Hey, Reese, what is today?
Her birthday.
Reese, what's today?
Her birthday.
How old are you, Reese?
2.
Reese, how old are you?
2.
Reese, how old are you?
2.
Yay! Good
That
girl.
off.
What's it taste like?
Birthday.
It's your birthday?
Is that a yummy cupcake?
Does that taste yummy? Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Does it taste good? Well, guess what? Oh, no, that's mine.
No, I want to have one bite.
You have one in your hand, Connor.
Well, I also have something else. Somebody else sang you happy birthday, Reese.
Who was it, me?
No. You got a message. Listen to this. Hold on a second. Ready, Reese?
Happy birthday
Okay, listen, Reese.
to
Ready?
you. Stop. Be quiet.
Okay, listen.
This message is for Reese Oster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Reese.
Get in the room.
Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
To you. That's my birthday.
That was Nanny and Grandpa.
Who's Nanny and Grandpa?
Nanny and Grandpa, they're going to visit here.
Happy birthday. It's my birthday. I like
It is.
It's my birthday.
How old are you?
2.
That's right, you're 2 years old.
Here's some sugar for you. You like sugar.
Who likes sugar? Do you like sugar?
Eat mine. Yeah.
That's good. Is that a good cupcake? Oh, you gonna eat the cupcake or just the sugar?
What's these?
They're like sprinkles.
I lick.
What? You lick it? Is it good?
I like cupcakes.
Well, let me. You're not done. You're not done with yours.
Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. You're a big girl.
Oh, we need to fix that cupcake spinning.
No. I can't believe you don't. How come you don't eat the rest of the cupcake, Con? Don't just eat the frosting.
To you. It's my birthday.
It is?
Yeah, it's her birthday.
Guess what? You get presents tomorrow at your party.
No, presents when she has those cupcakes.
Oh, this is just a little party. Tomorrow's the big party. Do you want to go?
Oh, yeah.
That'd be fun.
Are you gonna go?
I'm gonna be there the whole day.
And Daddy, you will have baby.
No bite?
No.
No. Just one. Look at it.
No.
Yeah, we have one tomorrow.
You did.
Okay.
What will
Yeah.
be? Oh my
Oh my,
Oh my gosh. Do
That's pink one. I love.
you like the pink one?
Yeah, me too. I like one. Pink one.
No,
Oh, no more. No more.
There's 2 in there. And those I'll do for you, okay? One time.
Two.
Hold on.
I want two. I want take the both out.
You want a what?
No, we're gonna save one for tomorrow for you and one for tomorrow for Connor.
Me and Reese.
Yep, you guys get one more tomorrow each.
No,
Okay?
I'm not taking it. I'm just putting it up there. No, no.
Hey,
leave hers
Connor.
alone. Leave
No,
hers
Connor,
I want to kiss her.
Connor, can you give her a kiss? Yeah, give her a kiss for her
Give
birthday.
Reese a kiss.
Birthday kiss, Reese.
Reese.
Say happy birthday,
She
Connor.
hit it.
Oh, oh.
Oh, good save, Mom.
I'll take it.
Give her a kiss for her birthday, Connor.
Here.
Birthday kiss.
Kiss her. Kiss Reese.
Yay, happy birthday. That was a good kiss.
See, pucker up, baby.
Cheese.
Jeez. How old is Reese?
2,
How old are you going to be next month?
4.
That's right. It's going to be your birthday. We'll have cake and ice cream too.
What's ice cream and cake and ice cream?
Cake and ice cream.
Why?
Yep.
1, 2. Like 2 birthdays.
2 birthday cakes for tomorrow.
Hey, Reese 2 and these are 2.
Yep.
2 old.
You want to sing happy birthday one more time to Reese?
And then get another cupcake.
No.
Candy.
Turn the camera off.
Put candy on this. Candy on this.
You want what?
Candy on this.
Candy on this?
Yes.
Okay, Connor and Daddy and Mommy are going to sing one more time.
One more time.
Why?
Because it's your birthday. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Reese.
Happy birthday, dear Reese.
Yay! Hooray, Reese! Yay! Good girl.
Not my birthday.
It's not?
No.
Whose birthday is it?
Reese. It's not mine.
Is that a good cupcake?
Happy birthday to you. That's my birthday.